runs a Brooklyn-bound 4 express train. Where you left Grand Central 42nd Street, the next stop is 14th Street, Union Square. Right now, I'm in the process of helping some people get to Fulton Street, which is 3 stops away. Okay, we are now leaving Brooklyn Bridge City Hall. That means that the next stop is Fulton Street.
Transfers available to 2, 3, A, B, and
Alright, this is it. Fulton Street. You're welcome. And that's a wrap for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blaster, and I'll see you in the next adventure.